What's going on, guys? Today it's arm day. Today we're gonna get it. Today we're gonna get them gains: biceps, triceps, forearms, and shoulders. Today, if you have pain here while you're curling, I'm gonna show you how to fix that and tell you a little bit of secrets that help me out and it stopped the pain. So if you have pain here in the forearm while you're curling, these tips are gonna help you out, okay? So let's get to the gym, let's get these gains, and let's go fix that arm pain, because I know it sucks to be curling and then it hurts like heck. It feels like somebody's stabbing you. So let's get going. Alright guys, so if you're having that forearm sharp pain, feeling like somebody's stabbing you in the forearm, do these exercises. Trust me, it's gonna help. The reason that's happening is because your bicep is stronger than your forearm, so your bicep is pulling more than your forearm. So your bicep's doing all the work while your forearms can't keep up with the weight that you're pulling. So let's say, for example, your forearms can only pull 20 pounds and you're pulling 40 pounds. It's causing your biceps to pull more and it's making you feel that pain. So make those forearms stronger. Do these forearm curls, regular forearm curls, and do them backwards as well, just to get that forearm nice and strong. It's gonna help you very much. It's helped me. I used to feel this pain all the time, but it worked wonders. That pain will disappear. It might take a week, maybe two, but you'll start noticing the difference right after those 2 weeks or so. If you feel uncomfortable doing them on your knees, you can also do it while you're sitting down. Nice and controlled. The reason I'm doing a lightweight is just to do the example, but I can go much heavier than this. Start at a lightweight and work your way up, guys. That's for every single exercise. Here I'm doing the twist, forearm twist. You'll feel the burn. Do a good weight, don't go too heavy. If you can go heavier than this, it's fine, but do a good weight where it's not hurting your wrist, and you'll feel the burn in your forearm. All these exercises will help you with that pain, guys. They'll get your forearms nice and strong, and you'll stop feeling so much sharp pain. I guarantee you it will help you out. And if you want, you can do farmer's walk or just stand there. Get your grip stronger as well. This is just an example, but you can get much heavier weight. Here I'm doing bicep curls with 40 pounds. You want to do a weight that challenges you every time if you want those muscles to grow, guys. These will get your arms nice and swole and give it a real good pump. Always use a weight that challenges you, but if you're a beginner, start off small and work your way up. Progressive overload, okay? Each time you go to a gym, you want to go a little bit heavier. Doesn't matter if it's 0.5 pounds or 1 pound. Just a little bit heavier, just to challenge your body. Here I'm working the triceps, guys. The reason I'm leaning forward is because when I lean forward, I can push down and squeeze a little bit harder, making me feel it on the triceps even more. I'm about to change weight because the weight was a little bit too light for me. So like I said, do a weight that challenges you and makes you feel that burn in that muscle. Keep that back straight, chest out, and squeeze when you get to the bottom. Squeeze, squeeze. You want those muscles to work. Here I'm going to be working the middle deltoid, making sure I have a nice grip. I lean to the side a little bit so I can work against gravity as well. And I control the weight. I don't go too heavy because you don't want to injure your shoulder, alright? So do a nice weight that your shoulder can pull. If you can go more than 30 pounds, that's fine. Just control the weight. Don't let the weight control you. You want that muscle to work, but you don't want to injure it. Nice and control all the time. Form over everything, guys. Form over weight. So today I'm focusing a little bit more on the shoulders. Here I'm going to be working the rear deltoid, or the back of the shoulders, so I can get that nice round look. Always form over weight, guys. Always form over weight. If the weight's too much and you can't control it, then put the weight down a little bit. Control that weight. You always want to challenge yourself, but you want to be able to control the weight. Don't let the weight control you. Here I'm going to work the front deltoid, the front of the shoulder, so I can get that nice round look, because those big shoulders look nice. I control the weight, up, down, up, down. Get a weight that you can control. You don't want to injure yourself, all right? Here's the tricep. Get that squeeze in with a good nice weight. Squeeze, squeeze, nice and controlled. Squeeze. You can see all those muscles working. Now I'm switching to the biceps. I believe these are called spider curls. Controlled. I can only do around 4 to 5, but I'm working those muscles as hard as I can, going to failure. Here I'm showing you the weight. I can do the whole machine, just so you know that I'm not cheating, but I can control the weight. Do a weight that's not going to hurt your shoulders, but that you can control. So if you can do the whole machine, that's fine, but control it. Always control the weight. Don't let it control you. If you can't raise it, then put less weight. All the way up, all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. Hope that helped you with your forearm pain, guys. It really helped me out. I was in a lot of pain before when I was curling, and those exercises really helped my forearms out, and it really helped with that pain. So I haven't had that pain in a long time, ever since I've started doing those exercises. So I really hope those exercises helped you out, and if they did, please leave a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys so much for being here. I never thought about it that way, but it worked. Hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, so leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. If I don't know, I'll try to find out for you. But thank you so much for watching my video. All I ask is for you to hit the thumbs up so the algorithm can help me out and spread the video. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.